Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the iron handle and its attachment points so you know what fails: stripped screw, cracked boss, or rusted pin. Remove surrounding trim once you have a clear sight line. Use penetrating oil on corroded fasteners. Wait 10-15 minutes so it soaks in. While you wait, lay out a magnet, replacement screws, epoxy putty, a drill with bits, and a tap set. This immediate action saves time and prevents guessing later, so you proceed with confidence and no unnecessary disassembly. You now remove the failed fastener and clean the mounting area. If the screw is stuck, use a left-hand extractor after drilling a small pilot hole. Once removed, clear debris and measure the hole diameter so you can drill and tap the correct thread quickly. If the handle boss is cracked or oval, press fit a sleeve or apply epoxy putty, shape to restore alignment. Clamp and let cure. This guarantees the handle sits true, and the load transfers through solid material rather than weak rust or stripped threads. You finish by installing the correct size screw or stud using thread locker or anti-seize depending on future service needs. Tighten to snug torque, but avoid over-torquing into repaired material. Once assembled, operate the handle through its full motion several times, applying progressive force to confirm there's no movement, binding, or creak. If you see play, re-tap with a larger thread, insert a helicoil, or add an internal sleeve for reinforcement. If epoxy fails, disassemble and repeat with mechanical sleeve for a permanent fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.